Hello dear student, we are studying general science physics and today topic is question from dimension analysis. The value of G equals to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square in SI unit. Find its value in CGS unit. This question is from Unit and Measurement chapter. The value of G in SI unit given. We have to find the value of G in CGS unit. G equals to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. We have to find the value in CGS unit. So how it will find? From convergence of unit, one formula is there, N1 U1 equals to N2 U2. N1 U1 equals to N2 U2, where N1 equals to and N2 is numerical value, that is N equals to numerical value and U equals to units. By this formula, we can calculate the value in CGS unit. Given G equals to in SI unit Newton meter square per kg square is equals to kg meter per second square into meter square by kg square. kg square cut equals to meter cube per kg per second square. Its dimensional formula will be m power minus 1 L power 3 T power minus 2. And its dimensional formula give the U1 and U2. Give the value of U1 and U2. By this dimensional formula, you can find the value of U1 and U2. Here, N1 is given 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. We have to find the N2. The value of N2 we have to find. M power minus 1, L power 3 and T power minus 2 put here. Now, M1 equals to kg, L1 equals to meter, T1 equals to second, and it is the value of U1. So U1 equals to M power minus 1, L power 3, T power minus 2. That is M power minus 1, L1 power 3, T1 power minus 2. Now M2 equals to gram, L2 equals to cm, T2 equals to second, and here U2 is obtained. So U2 equals to M2 power minus 1, L2 power 3 and T2 power minus 2. So this is the value of N1, U1 and U2. By formula, N1 U1 equals to N2 U2. Therefore, N2 will be N1 into U1 by U2. Therefore, N2 is equals to N1 into U1 by U2. After that, we will put the value of N1, U1 and U2. We can calculate the value of N2. So, put this value N2 equals to N1 into M power minus 1, L1 power 3, T1 power minus 2 by M2 power minus 1, L2 power 3, T2 power minus 2. Now, we take in the form of power. N1 into M1 by M2 power minus 1, L1 by L2 power 3, T1 by T2 power minus 2. We write in the form of power is equals to N1 into M1 is kg, kg by M2 is gram, so kg by gram power minus 1. L1 is meter by cm power 3. Second by second power minus 2. Here is equals to kg is 10 to the power 3 gram. So 10 to the power 3 gram by gram power minus 1 into 10 to the power 2 cm by cm power 3 into second by second power minus 2. Is equals to gram gram cancel, cm cm cancel. So N2 will be, put the value of N1 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. N2 equals to 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11 into 10 to the power 6. 10 to the power 6 into here 10 to the power 3, 10 to the power 3. Therefore N2 is equals to 6.67. You can calculate also. So this value will be 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 8. So the value of N2 is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 8. It is the Cesius form. This value of N2 is in the form of Cesius. So we find the value of in the Cesius form. The value of G in the Cesius form we find. So today topic is over. For more update, subscribe please. Thanks for watching.